Hey guys, Kane from Beisan Systems here. Wanted to talk to you about the S65, S85 throttle actuator and why we believe that you should have it rebuilt before they fail. And they will. We get a lot of inquiries. We've had a lot of units come in, and we've done an awful lot of testing in the last couple of years on these. So there's a couple of issues. Let me put this down, get this one up here. So we have our own set of metal gears that we've created. This center plastic gear on the OEM ones is the one that's failed and throws a code, and these are tighter tolerance and made out of metal. All the OEM ones are plastic, and any other remanufacturers out there using plastic gears. We do not. These are developed by us and manufactured by us as well. So the first problem obviously is the gear wear. When you get a certain amount of miles on it, it starts tripping codes, and you either have to replace the whole unit or come to us and we can sell you a pair of gears. The second issue is this motor. So we found out through R&D on a lot of units that the reason it's failing the boards and frying them is that the motor will fill up with the brush debris, which conducts electric, obviously, and it will fry the board. We have one that was just sent in by a customer yesterday that the board is fried on it. Some of them, it's visual. Others, it just fails the board, and there's nothing that you can tell on it. The forums, they kind of go over this a little bit and say that replacing the transistors is a miracle, and I can tell you that it's not. Some of them it can fix if it's very minor, but the majority of them, it's something that's much deeper. We've been working on this for a while. We're working with engineers, and some of the largest remanufacturers for automotive electronics that work in the BMW space have given up on this product because it's that troublesome right now. So we're working on the electronic parts for those who have failed boards. But my point is, don't let it get to that point. Please have them rebuilt before you fail your boards, and it will happen at some point. Along with, you will wear the gear out at some point as well, the old plastic gears, and you'll start tripping codes. It may not happen yet, but it's going to happen at some point. So I would recommend, for the extra few dollars, to have us rebuild it for you. You need a lot of supplies to get this done right. The oils, greases, the cleaning fluid itself, you can't use brake fluid, it'll destroy this thing. So you have to use special fluids that are made for electric motor, electric parts, and doesn't corrode and all that kind of stuff. So it's really worth it to have us do this. So please consider sending your units to us. It's our website is GetVanosParts.com or BeisanSystems.com, but GetVanosParts a little easier. So any questions, support at GetVanosParts.com, and come check us out, okay? Thanks. Quick look at our test sequence. We have the guts of an M3 here, and also we have our testing equipment. And recently there's a customer that we had to supply a board for him because his was failed. So we have that here, and we have our OEM spot for testing just boards. This side is for testing the actual actuators on bank 2. So let's go ahead and we'll do it. Activate. And the actual test out was me turning it off and on. But the actual test will hold it for 20 seconds, and then it will go ahead and release it. So this one is good. I've already tested it. So we'll go ahead and get this out to the customer, and this is the second of 2 actuators that he had rebuilt. Oh, there, it went off itself. Thank you for watching.
Get Vanos Parts by Beisan Systems. Vanos and Vehicle Systems Solutions manufacturer for BMW vehicles.